Welcome to this video on how to change colors and handles and a whole lot of stuff in the new Fusion QM catalog. We've made a lot of changes to the Fusion QM catalog, so we just decided to make this video to show you how it's done. Now the first thing that you would do is when you're in the design, you can go to change at the top and go to change default style. What you would do then is you would choose the manufacturer, which is the new catalog that we've sent out, which is the Fusion QM 12, and it's number 18 of that release. And we're just going to click OK, and it comes up with this screen. It asks you for colors, and it's giving you a color already. Now let's go down and have a look at some of the stuff that they've changed. Door styles. You can click on door styles, and you can get the generic doors. You'll notice these are all the universal ones. These are not manufacturers. They're not any door suppliers or anything like that. These are just generic ones. You can get the plain doors. You can get the shakers. You can get all the generic ones that you need from this one. If you go to door supplier on the left-hand side, you'll notice here you've got a variety of different door manufacturers that you can go for. Devon doors, Niemann doors as well for the really high gloss, for obviously the Niemann style. And you've got a whole lot of suppliers there that you can choose from and the different styles that you can get. For now, I'm just going to go on to a integrated handle, which is the one that has almost like a little metal piece, and you pull it out. And in this one, I'm going to show you how to get rid of the handles and change the colors. Now, for the design themes, you'll notice here at the moment it's got quick color on the right-hand side, white internal. So that's the normal way that it does it. You can have it so that it's a solid one where it goes all components are the same colors, or you can have basic custom color schemes and extended custom color schemes. For now, we're going to keep it on the white internals. I'm going to click on materials selection here, and you'll notice here it says all colors. At the moment, it's defaulted onto all colors, so you would get all the different ranges of colors that you can get from the left-hand side. These are all the colors that you can get in the catalog. If you're wanting to actually be specific and go for a Sonai, National Edging, or PG Bison, or any of the other colors, you can click on them. But I found it easy just to click on the finish on the left-hand side and then type in the color that I need on the bottom where it says filter. So if I say cherry, you can here notice here you've got cherry royale. I'll just go for cherry royale, and we'll go for the next one. Now you can go glass insert. This is for the wall units. What I'm going to do is going to get rid of the cherry from there, and you'll notice here you've got different options where you can have plain glass, and you can get different frames that you put in. You can have mirror. You can also have the vertical cross, which is your the vertical pieces in the middle, so that you can have the cross sections of the pieces of wood in the glass, or you can have it on plain glass. I'm going to keep it on mirror just to see the different effects. Again, lattice is also there. It's got square and diagonal. I'll choose diagonal. You do have the option now of going to handles. Handle suppliers, you've got Eclipse, Larson, and Roco in the new one. For now, I'm just going to click on none because we've got an integrated handle. So if you click on none, you'll notice the handles disappear in the main screen. Go down, you'll notice you do have the options here of BRC options. You've got the box system, no end panels, no backs, and you've got the party wall system. You've also got the option of split doors. So if you want, for your BRCs, you want split doors for doors on top and doors at the bottom, you can do that. You've got no, yes, and half overlays as well. You've got BRC scene sides as well, so you can have scene sides on all sides if you wanted to. You've also got worktops on the left-hand side. We've done a lot of work with the worktops. You've got the PG Bison Formica granites. Now these are all the Formica colors that you can get. So if you click on that on the right hand side, you would go to the next worktop on the left hand side, so one down, and here you could choose all the Formica colors. So we've got a nice range of colors there that you can choose in the Formica. Let's click on the first worktop on the left-hand side, and we've got Formica marbles. You click on the first one, and you click on the second one to change the colors. On the left-hand side, you click on that. We've got Caesar stone. On the left-hand side, I'm going to choose the second worktop, and then I can choose the one that I want. So let's go to Fusion, and maybe depending on whichever color that you want, you can choose Dusty Stone if you wanted to, or Ash, depending on whichever your client wants. But that's the Caesar Stone. You've got the South African granites, which are all the Southern African granites that you've got. So these are the ones that you can choose from. You've also got the option of changing your worktop edging. We've got Techni Stone as well. So let's choose a Techni Stone color, and so there we go. Well, you can choose any one that you like, and it will give you that effect. Again, you go to worktop edging, and you can do the same thing. And I'll choose the same as what I just chose on my normal worktop. If you can't find it, you just go slate, and you go for that Taurus. There we go. Again, you've got the option of taking off when you put in your eye-level ovens or your undercover ovens. It puts in an oven for you. If you're wanting to do it manually and putting in your own coffee machines or any of your own appliances on, you would change this from default options to manual options, manual replacements, and then you can put in your own appliances into it. You've got the option again of pot drawers. You've got single and double. That's for the handles. Okay. The plinth, you can have the option here of having it the same as the door color. You've also got the option of changing it to any of these options here. So you could change that to any of the colors that you would need, even into a granite color. Okay, wall units, the carcass, you've got that. You can show it with closed, open doors and drawers. You can open the doors and drawers, open all of them. This is for the plan view, and you go, and then you just carry on. You notice you've got the wicker colors. You can have the light wicker or the dark wicker for the internal and external one. Okay, I'm going up to the top, and once I'm happy with all the choices I've made, I just press OK. Now when I add in a unit, you'll notice it comes up with the option that I've chosen. So if I go F2D, add that in, it will put it in with that color. So there we see the option that we've got with all the doors open and with the mirror glass doors as well. So you'll notice here, this is with the integrated selection. If I'm wanting to change that again, you just go to the top where it says change default style, and you go to Fusion QM, and you'll notice again you can change them as you like. So the glass insert, I'll go plain doors. If I'm wanting to have the option of more options, you just go where it says showroom options, change that to show catalog options. And here I'm going to change it from the vertical, and I'm going to put on a shaker door. Shaker 70, change the color, and I will go for Royal Mahogany. And I'll put back the handles, so I'll just go custom handle and put that back there, and go down until you can get the option of opening and closing the doors. So I'll say close, and for the wicker I'll go darker and darker. And now if I say OK, you'll notice here the doors will close. That's a normal glass unit shaker. And here what I could do is I could just add on the worktops, and you can see the color of it. Okay, that's some of the new features, some of the new stuff that we've put into the Fusion QM catalog. We've tried to make it as easy as possible. If you've got any feedback, please give us a call and let us know.